So, yung ito-topic naman natin ngayon is yung ating exponential function. So, ito yung mga basic rule ng exponential function. If y is equals to ex, then y prime would equal to ex. So, walang magbabago. Pero kung if y is equals to ax, then y prime would equal to x, a to the power of x na ln a. Okay. So, yun naman yung kanyang basic rule. So, paano natin ba ma-apply ito? Paano natin ito ma-apply? So, for example, we have y equals e 3x. So, gagamitan na natin to ng chain rule. So, y prime would be equal to 3, ito yung n, 3, e, 3x. So, basically, ito lang yung magbabago. Ibababa lang natin ito dito. Okay. So, yan yung ating final answer. Wait, parang hindi masyadong makita. So, 3e to the power of 3x. Okay. Yan. So, ganun lang yung exponential function. Another example. For example, meron tayong y is equals to 5e 2x. So, if you want, pwede mo i-try, pwede mo i-pause kung gusto mo i-try. So, isosolve na natin. So, y prime is equal to, again, ito lang naman yung ibababa natin dito gamit yung chain rule. So, 2 times 5e 2x. So, madali lang naman siya. 2 times 5, that would equal to 10e 2x. Final answer natin. Okay, for the sake of practice, mag-try pa tayo ulit ng isa pa. Again, so burahin ko na ito lahat. So, example natin is y is equals to 4x. So, paano natin ito iti-treat? So, ito yan siya. Ito yan. Ito yung gagamitin natin. So, y prime is equals to 4x ln 4. Kasi yung 4 yung a, L dito yung ating a is equal to 4. Yung x siya naman is x naman, wala naman nagbago. So, ito na yung ating final answer. Okay, last one. Try tayo again, last one. Last problem. Ito naman ito try natin. So, y is equals to 6e. Paano naman kung merong to the power of negative? Paano yan? So, ito try natin i-solve. So, y prime is equals to, since negative yung power, ang gagawin natin is ilalagay natin yung 6 kasi wala naman siya times negative e dahil may 1 yan yung negative 1. So negative, multiply natin dito sa e, magiging negative 1 to the power of negative x. So y prime is equals to negative 6 e to the power of negative x. So ganun lang siya kadali.